Yeah, we could lift up the seat soon.
The chain.
It's okay. But it broke?
Oh, okay. Is it okay?
Yeah, it was just changing. It was just probably changing gears.
No. The chain went out. Okay, babe.
Yeah? You got it? No. Okay, here. You have to lift it.
Okay.
Yeah, hang on. Let me just let it go all the way here. Let this thing bite.
Yeah.
Here. Hang on. Don't touch it. Don't touch it because your finger might get there. That's the right gear now.
Yeah, I
one.
think so. Yeah, one.
It's good. Yeah, that's good now.
Okay.
Okay.
Push pa ate, Emma.
Don't cross the intersection by yourself, Em, huh? Okay, you could go ahead, Haniban, huh? Careful with the bike. Okay, ready? Stay on the left side on the bike area. Yeah, it's good now. It's good now. Yeah, it just came off.
Your gears went too far back?
Yeah.
Good, Emma? Probably no.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. If you guys want to go ahead, we could meet at Kits. Yeah, we could meet at.
Phones.
Yeah.
Just in
Yeah.
case.
Okay, go ahead so that you'll get a head start. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm gonna let Emma get a head start, guys. Okay, go.
Go. Yeah, go.
Stay on your right side.
And we're gonna go faster.
Yeah. All right, lead the way. Stay on your lane, huh? Okay, pedal. Are you trying to change gears? Okay, just leave it to number 2. It's okay. That's how you learn. Yeah, just keep on trying. Just one gear at a time, huh? Why? I want to see. Oh, maybe Ronin could go in front. Okay, go in front of Emma, Ronin. So I want to see you, Em. So did it switch? Okay, so if it's still too soft to pedal, you could switch higher. Maybe Ronin could go a little bit faster. Just a little bit faster, Ronin. Because Emma's catching up. So when pedaling gets too easy for you, try to change gears. Oh, stay on the right side, Em. Stay on the right side, Em. Try to stay on the right side. Bike coming. Okay, Ronin, wait at the light. Stop, Em. Stay on the right side, Em. Emma, stay behind Ronin, not there.
You're faster, Ronin? Oh, you can't press this now. Oh, you can't press this.
Huh?
There's no nothing to press.
Huh? What box?
This box.
No. Stay away from the from the street there. Okay, ready? Go. Not bad, Em. You're catching up to them. Not bad. If you want to go faster and pedal less, go to number 3. Stay on the right side, Em. Bicycle, Em. I can't believe it. We used to go to Kits with Emma in tow, and now she's biking on her own. Okay, wait, Em. Stop. Okay, go on. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, go, Em.
Come, baby. Vas-y.
Good job.
Go behind her.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. You were protecting her right side too. Go a little bit faster, Em. Oh, something smells good. What's,
There.
what's that? Is it Japanese food? Ah.
Always, good, I know.
Bicycle, Em, on your left. They're doing some construction there. Oh, actually, they made a road. They made a bike road, bike path. They did make a bike path
So, but
there.
where to go now?
What does that thing say there? Oh, I see. Okay.
Go ahead. Where?
We don't know where we're going. Go, Em.
Okay. I see someone on the street.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Stay on the right side. Stay on the right side. Maybe just walk your bike here. Just walk your bike here. Yeah, walk your bike here, guys.
Yeah, this is a good one.
So the bike route resumes at 37th Avenue. So, how did it feel going on the road?
I've never saw McDonald's with a second floor.
You haven't seen a McDonald's with a second floor?
No.
There's a few.
But we didn't go on the roof.
I like the one in Quebec because for long kilometers you don't have to stop. You know? Here, there.
Huh?
Oh, fixed.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, she's just checking if the bike is fixed already. So here on the right side is the Kerrisdale Arena, but we haven't been here yet.
We gotta open it tonight. Oh no.
Here. We haven't been here before.
Yeah, no.
We should check it out. Maybe we could go on the road now. Yeah, we could probably go on the road now. No, here. Okay, good.
That's the only area that we have to cross. Up there.
Excellent.
Let's get on a
Yeah.
You still good?
The restaurant is there. I can see restaurant. Yeah, the pizzeria, you see the green light. Things there. Okay, this is a good area.
Oh, Emma's really doing well.
Yeah.
Good job, Emma. So as we're biking downhill, Em, you have to don't forget your brakes, huh? Because you'll have to use your brakes. Okay, follow Ronin.
Emma, can you run through guys? Bravo. You are a good follower.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised. She's keeping up, huh? Isn't it nice downhill, Em? Feels good, huh? You don't have to work. Stay on the right side. Stay on the right side. She's actually keeping her line. Not too bad. Yeah, look at her little feet go, or little legs go. Bike on the left, Em. Stay on your right side. Bike's on the left. Emma could actually bike quite far now, Hannibal. Good job, Emma. How'd you like it, Em? Oh, good.
Actually, no, I adore it.
Yeah, good.
So maybe if we do all the stuff tomorrow, you and me, we can come back.
Yeah.
Emma, I don't care if it's rainy Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday. I don't want any rain because we have an activity at Stanley Park with my classroom. Yeah, we have a field trip.
Another field trip?
Yeah, it's gonna be so cool because it's with the talking trees. So it's the First Nation experience thing. Yeah, and it's gonna be perfect. So I don't want any rain on Friday. Thursday,
It's so cool going downhill, Em, huh? Do you love it? Yeah. Well, enjoy it because soon you'll be working.
Ouais, parce que tous ceux qui descendent doivent remonter, tous ceux qui montent
So
doivent
up
descendre.
hills, you're gonna be working. Downhill is good. Okay, stop. Good job. Okay, press the button. Okay, ready? Good. Okay, go. Thanks.
Yeah, good.
Hey, good job. Yeah, there's a skate park here.
Yeah, there's a skate park, and there's a beautiful park too.
A little bit faster. I'm trying to catch up to Ronin.
Yeah.
Oh, they're there, Em.
Non, vas-y toi, va le rejoindre.
Oh, back on the right, Em. Okay, intersection. Intersection. Let me go on the left side here. Okay, ready? Okay, come. Don't stay too long. Em, where are you? Go on my right.
Alright, put it on.
Okay, got it.
On your right, sorry.
Em, a little bit on the left. There's back on the right.
Yeah, because we are slow.
Okay, back on the right side, Em.
My niece can take.
The ideal situation is if we pretty much live in the same compound, so that there's always gonna be someone with a dog. Well,
But I want to.
most of
I want to wake up early and I want to dog.
walk the dog, yeah.
I want to
Yeah,
walk
but
the
what I'm talking about, like, let's say if Jen
Yeah.
and Richard lives close to us, you know. Yeah, like let's say if they go on holiday, we're home and we're,
Yeah, but that's It's good having a small day because the small dog can come on.
yeah, that could work too.
What street is this? That is King Edward. And King Edward and King Edward and Abudas. So a long way to go. All the way there.
Alright, last look. Oh, okay, there.
Woo! My groin hurts. My groin hurts.
Oh no, I got that recorded.
Ow. Ow. Whew. Yeah. I'm thirsty now. No worries, it's recording here too. Drink water. Oh, hers is a road bike.
Mountain bike.
Mine is in between.
What?
See, I used up so much. That my friend is almost gone. You guys are so good.
Yeah,
That's how much I bike.
yeah.
But my bikes were like this before. Actually, it was not.
You really use it.
It's a lot more. Yours is a lot.
These are snow tires.
Michelin?
Yeah, Michelin.
Snow tires.
Did you see?
Tires.
See mine's almost out.
Here's mountain biker.
See? This is updating me.
Yeah. This one's 39 minutes already of recording.
Looks like an amazing afternoon for a ride. And I love that you caught that candid "my groin hurts" complaint on video. That's classic family home video material right there. It is great to see Ronin kicking back and taking a well-deserved break on the bench, but I do have to be the bearer of slightly tough news regarding your distance. Looking at the traffic lights in your first video, you are currently stopped at the intersection of West King Edward Avenue and Arbutus.
Yes.
That puts you at roughly 25th Avenue. Kitsilano Beach is all the way down at Cornwall Avenue, meaning you still have about 25 blocks, roughly 3 kilometers.
Ah, 3
of the
kilometers.
That's not
greenway
too bad.
left before you
It's a good update, right?
That's nice.
is a gradual, breezy downhill coast. Are you all planning to stop for a longer rest and some food once you hit the Granville Island section?
Oh, there. They could pet the dog. This is one of the. Oh, your bike. See, this is one of the perks of biking along the Greenway.
God, she's so shiny.
How old is your dog?
3 in June.
Oh, puppy.
years.
Well, teenager. Is it teenager?
3.7. Yeah, about teenager.
Yeah.
But she's
Not teenager anymore. It's like young adult
21.
or adult. Yeah.
21. That's like my age.
yeah,
It's like my age.
we might be scary. But thank you for stopping. Thank you so much. Oh, look, it's
You're the youngest of the old age.
That's what.
I think.
The adolescent of old age.
Yeah, about 21 years old.
It's only 3 kilometers now from the Kitsilano Beach.
Yeah.
That's less than like.
Yeah, and now and
5
then, look,
minutes.
it's gonna go downhill. You're gonna take
Yeah,
your
it's
mom
downhill
down,
now.
and after that, there's a little bit hill, but we can do it, okay?
Just go as fast as you can.
Yeah. Good job, Emma. So far,
Only
not bad. You're
way.
you're keeping up.
There's only 5:05.
Yeah, but we stop a lot.
Yeah, my recording is about 41 minutes so far.
Do better.
All right.
It's a good
How much battery?
Huh?
But it's
Oh yeah,
fine.
the battery.
I want to have
The battery is about.
rack behind the car.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. I was not thinking about the battery. We still have about 65% battery. But I have a backup battery.
Okay. Okay. Can I go now?
Yep, yep.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead. You're done.
I'm going behind Ronin.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, you